Hey! In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Nokia smartphone. Begin with opening settings. Then you need to scroll down just a bit and click on Display section. In it, scroll down again and tap on Font Size. Now you need to swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. And when you're ready, click on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!